make pure gold and to put some of the materials to make it pure gold. This is our life when the trials come to our life. It's not to make you go far from God, but this is how God will build yourself. If the trials come, it is to build yourself, not to bring you go far from God. And thoughts from the mouth of blessing, page 10. The trials of life are God's workmen to remove the impurities and roughness from our character. Their heavy, squaring, and sizzling, their burnishing and polishing is a painful process, but it is thus that the character is fitted for the heavenly kingdom. What we are going to face? This one. Hewing, squaring, and sizzling, their burnishing and polishing our character in our life. If we don't face a painful process, how can we become a person right now? If we don't ever experience the trials coming into our life, we cannot go to the next level.